Hello, my name is Jin Kim, and I'll be showing you our deliverable 4. So our program is initialized at mode 0, so I'll show you our terminal screen. I'll go into that. When I press PB2, it will start scanning. So here it's just turned all the way to the left, and I'll slowly just turn it to the right. Here it should be maxed out, as you can see. And I'll just turn it back. There's a little bit of noise there, but it should be okay. And I'll be bottoming out here, so it should be at 0 now, as you can see. Okay. Now I'll just pause it. Exit the terminal. Close that. Here's my Python file. Change the mode to mode 1. I'll start the scan before I run the Python file. And as you can see, it will start gathering the information received in the terminal, and it will output that to the CSV as well. Go up, go down. Okay. So that was going from minimum to maximum back to minimum, as you can see. And I can just run that one more time to show you again, just to make sure. Okay, so yeah, I went from minimum, maximum, minimum, and it was going back up, and then that was within the 10-second interval. So that's our graphs, and you can see our data in the CSV file with the headers time, ADC value, ADC voltage, and the data within that 10-second interval is right there. All right. Okay. So now we'll talk about our code. So our main, everything's pretty clean. Our main is just, there's some flag initializations and IO and UART initializations here. In our main while loop, we have an idle because nothing's really gonna change until there's a timer interrupt or a CN interrupt. So we do the idle, and we have an IO check. And this is just if our mode 0 is on and the scanning mode is on, we'll do our scanning. Same thing for mode 1. Our IO check, we have a string builder function for ease of use. Our IO initialization, pretty standard like before. Our IO check will just change the flags depending on which button's pressed. And this will change our mode flags and our scanning flags based on which state we are in. These are our functions for mode 0 and mode 1. So this is the scanning function for mode 0, scanning function for mode 1. Our timer delay is pretty much the same as before as well. So just your standard flags and enabling. Our UART is the same, it's untouched. Our ADC is pretty standard as well. It just has all the necessary initializations and turning on the module and turning off the sampling. So yeah, that should be it.